You have a picture here? Or...
Ooh. Okay. We'll try this again. Ugh.
Why can't it eat it?
It's too big for its mouth, I think.
What?
You gotta hold it there, honey.
I can't.
Come on. Let him get it. There. Whoop! He's gotta get it in his mouth.
It's in there. Oh, this is the last time and then you're doing it, Daddy.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
You're doing it.
Okay, pal. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oop. There you go. There. Oh.
It's difficult.
Ugh.
Keep swallowing where it's right there. It's right there. I can't get it.
Ah. Do you want me to get it?
Yeah. Now hold it. Keep holding till he gets it in his mouth.
Do you think he got it?
Oh, yeah!
He got it.
He's gonna choke.
Need some water. Just soften it up.
I think he knows what he's doing. Wow.
Did you eat it? No.